welcome back to my channel. Guess where we at today? Y'all won't believe it, but guess where we at today? We are at Lowe's. But the reason that we're at Lowe's is because we wanted to basically experiment with gardening and everything. So let me show y'all what we have so far. We have soil at the bottom. We're doing our own little DIY thing for the pots. And I have an aloe vera plant. We have some jalapeno peppers. We have some bell peppers. Look, some of it is growing. Super cute. And we have seeds from all of these. And some brick. Like I said, we're doing a DIY project. So let's get to rolling. So we're at the Home Depot and we're just looking to see if they have anything different than Lowe's did. And so far they only have banana peppers, so it was different, but everything else is basically the same. So we're still trying to decide if we want some peppers. Now we are at Walmart. So say save money, live better. This vlog has been all over the place, but the main purpose of this vlog is to take you guys on the growing journey with me. So I do have a few items, gardening tools. Yes, I do live in an upstairs apartment, so this is upstairs apartment gardening friendly. Okay, upstairs apartment gardening friendly video. If you live in a downstairs apartment, then you have more advantage as far as the water leaking down below than the upstairs apartment. But me and my husband, we have been wanting to go on this journey of trying to grow things on our own because of how high food costs is going, the food shortage and everything. So we would like to know, the birds and the bees of growing food and everything. So we just decided to try it on our own to see how everything is going to go. So now that you are all caught up, this is a DIY type of video because like I was in Lowe's, as I showed you guys, I was in Home Depot, I was in Walmart, and I was looking at the prices of the pots for gardening and everything, and I was like, being that it's my first time and I don't want to basically waste money on something if I can't succeed in it. I just wanted to go the cheaper route, so I'm going to be doing a DIY version of it. I went to Dollar Tree and I'm gonna make my own pots and everything. And some things I bought from Dollar Tree, some things I bought from Walmart, some things I bought from Home Depot, some things I bought from Lowe's. It was just all four different stores. So first thing first, we do have some plants that is already ready to just get in there and go. I am using a certain type of soil. I will put that, I'm gonna just put a screenshot on the screen because that bag is really, really heavy. So before we get too far in this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you have not, follow my social medias. I'm gonna make sure it's popping up either on the screen or it's going to be in the description down below. If you're ready to come with this journey with me, let's get right into it. Likely I have to do another one with the bell peppers, but right now we're doing the hot banana peppers. So we're going to do that same hack. I put 3 holes. I made them bigger. And I did cut my finger, sadly. So I am kind of teed off because of that, but I guess it comes with it. So we're just filling it up. sucking all that soil up, making sure that it will fit right. We can put more, but before we put more, we're going to pat this down. Like that. And just keep digging. Just keep digging. If you are going through something in life right now, or whenever you are watching this video and you feel discouraged about something, don't give up. Just keep pushing. Just keep pushing. Because guess what? It won't be the same. But we're gonna, you see, it's just a hole. Like that. Now, it's time to take this out. Pat it like you whipping a baby's butt, and it should slide right out. Now they said whenever the roots is like this, you should break it up from the bottom. But let me put some dirt in there like that. And just put this in there. Ta-da! Plastics containers are breaking because I need a more heavier barrier. And you know, I don't really know how to use a drill. So yeah. Like that. Ta-da! And so far, he's been right. So we're gonna take this off. Going to take this sticky off. Pull it a little closer to me. That's and one more. Slide it. And just turn. Just keep turning. Just keep turning. Ooh. Perfect. Just some sweet green bell peppers. Oh. And it's crazy because I told my husband today that, babe, I said, babe, I think we're gonna need more soil. He said, where? You don't need no more soil, girl. There's gonna be enough soil. He didn't think so. Just gonna take it like that. Spank your baby's butt. And ba-bam. It's driving me crazy just looking on the ground and looking on my table. Like, I hate my home being dirty. And I'm not OCD or anything. I just hate it being dirty. So, I'm guessing this is called shears. I'm not sure. Like I said, don't take offense. Do not take offense, please. But I'm new to this. So, give me a chance. Thank you. So, I'm guessing this is called garden shears. I'm just taking them and I'm cutting all around the laundry basket that I bought from Dollar Tree. Thank you, Dollar Tree. And we are going to make a support because in Home Depot and Lowe's, I didn't see any in Walmart, but their supporters are like $20. I'm like, who's gonna spend that to say they're doing it for the first time ever? Not me. Not I. No. I'm going to take your zip ties that you got from Dollar Tree. And let me show you. Oops. You see this part right here? And you see that this container you can carry, it has handles. You're just going to Just slip it through the hose. Put it in your zip tie. And pull. Pull tightly. Like that. To make sure you have that support. Go ahead and put 2 of them. Like that. And then you're going to take your scissors and put it. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. I'm sorry, I can't put down my pinky, so subscribe is for today. Okay, just for today. But if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you have not, go ahead and follow my social medias, and I'm gonna make sure it's popping up right here. Other than that, see you until next time. Peace.